Alright, so I wanted you to see what's going on. Kind of tired of all these slats where you can see through it. So I put down this grass. Just started this just a while ago. Got some laid out. Little part here, little bridge like. Now back here, this will all be, I'm gonna put maybe brown or black shingles back there, I'm not sure which, to make it look like asphalt. So this is where I've got to. Just started a while ago, but I just wanted y'all to kind of see, what it was looking like, how it looked when the train comes through it. I think it's pretty neat. That's the same grass I've got on my deck layout. And there'll be more added. I don't know if it's gonna rain tomorrow or what, but it seems like that's all it does here anymore. But yeah, you can see there's a long way to go. But I guess the longest journey starts with the first step. So anyhow, I just wanted to catch y'all up on what was going on. So all this is gonna look totally different. I mean, it'll still look the same, but it's gonna have grass. It'll look really cool. It'll look like my deck layout. It's still there, but it's just track and grass. All right, do a little zoom in for you. Sorry. All right, hope you like it.